It's too damn early. Look at that. It's too damn early. I've been up since 5. Actually, just getting ready for today. Impromptu cruise with some of the homies. Some homies from AGLA, some homies from like real life. Well, I guess this is all real life, huh? Or is it? But we're gonna link up and cruise down PCH. I really just felt like driving a 3-day weekend, you know, so that always makes you feel some type of way, like you don't want to waste it. So we're gonna actually cruise down PCH and then possibly hit like Stunt Roll, Malibu Canyons, Topanga Canyon, whatever we find ourselves into. That's what we're gonna do today. Super excited. We have an RS4 big V8. Gonna link up with the homies coming with his BMW 435i, and I'm also just looking forward to the other cars that we're gonna see. You know, all the cool cars cruise on Sunday, so probably gonna spot some supercars. Hopefully we're gonna hear a lot of exhaust noises and everything, and I'm looking forward to that. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. If you are new to the channel and this is the first video you're watching, welcome. Hopefully you will stay for dinner and join the family by hitting that subscribe button, man. My name is Jay and I love car shit. So if you are with that shit too, this is the channel you want to be on. Go ahead and give your girl that thumbs up and that sub. My tires are noisy as hell, dog. That sounds ugly. What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh my god, what is that? Supra. Little game of chase with the Supra.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Oh shit! Big gaps! He gapped my ass. Unwell. Bad Bunny Baba. What's up, bro? How you doing?
We're good. I didn't get a chance to wash this shit.
I went to a self-service wash and just rinsed it and soaped it up real quick. But it's still dirty. I'm shocked you up this early, Phil.
Oh, it's because I actually went to sleep early. I did go to sleep early. If not, I would have not made it.
Ooh, them clean.
Thank you.
Clean, boy. We got the 435 stick. This guy's gonna teach me to drive manual, cousins.
Check the inside out.
Damn.
Watch out for this.
Zoom. Dude, why'd I get gapped on the freeway by a Supra?
Subaru or Supra?
A Supra. Oh, not no Subaru, hell no.
Oh shit.
But a freaking Supra.
I've only seen in the streets, I've only seen one of them.
It's rare that I see him, but this motherfucker gapped me. He was tuned though, he was tuned like shit. And I was holding this big ass camera and I was trying to get like a good clip, but then he hit me with the doo and just took off. Homie Ramiro with the sick RS4. Damn. She's cool.
Yeah, I think it's like street, right? That's what it's called, Alex? The street is called Topanga? No, we're going up Flores, right? Go Flores, yeah.
Sick. We out here. Got the S3 up there. RS4. Woo! Sick ass foods. Everything the light touches is yours, Simba. This CRX is freaking quick as shit. Super quick. With the carbon fiber. Nice. Blacked out. That thing is quick. The P0s. Big Porsche.
Oh, they're going to down stunt.
Hey! Yeah! The Targa. Dragging that wagon. Woo. I like that one. That shit nice. Yeah.
They're going down the stunt road.
Damn, Daddy. Damn, GTR. Hell yeah. Crazy freaking exhaust noise is coming from this beautiful V8 RS4 right here. I know y'all heard that clip before this with the tunnel. That shit was nuts, dude. Absolutely insane. I'm just enjoying the sound of this exhaust since I'm super stock with it. Pretending it's mine. Hey,
What up?
what it do?
Gucci.
What's good, son?
Just out here driving through the canyons, you know?
Through the canyons?
Canyons.
The canyons? Canyon carving?
Huh?
Yeah, boy, you canyon carving, boy.
Yeah, I think I parked wrong too.
Today's lineup. We out here. Send it. Let's get it. His 435 is pretty quick with no tune. Like, it's not a, it's a sleeper for sure. Let's see if we can get another run in. Back at the crib, cousins. I do hope you guys enjoyed the footage that I was able to capture today. I tried to get as much footage of like rolling races and stuff like that as I safely could. simply because I'm not used to racing and holding a big ass camera, so I definitely did not want to put myself or anyone else in danger. But the GoPro ended up dying, but there were some cool runs. I ran with Chris in the blue S3. He got me the first 2 times. The third time I went to second gear and we were like neck and neck with that. That was clean. And then you saw the runs that I got with my boy Mario in the 435i. Shout out to Mario for pulling up and cruising with us today. It was definitely a fun day. If you did enjoy this, be sure to give your girl a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to share this video with your cousins so they could be my cousin too. Stay tuned for the next vlog. We got some cool car shit. I'm going to I actually have that piece at Core Motive waiting for me, and tomorrow I'm gonna go there, drop the car off, and they're gonna install that piece. So stay tuned for that. See y'all until next time.
I can't stop now, I go all gas, no